Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share to you how to make Ginataang Bilo-bilo. Ginataang Bilo-bilo is a Filipino dessert or snack. It is very popular, especially during Easter in the Philippines. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we will need are 2 cans of coconut milk, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1 can of jackfruit cut into strips, 3 cups of water, 1 big sweet potato cube, 1 big plantain banana cut into slices, and 3/4 cup of tapioca pearls. For the glutinous balls, we will need 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of water, and ube extract. To cook the tapioca pearls, boil enough water, and once it's boiling, add the tapioca pearls and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Don't forget to occasionally stir from time to time. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and cover the pan. It will continue to cook. Once 15 minutes is done, strain the tapioca pearls and rinse it with cold water and set this aside. Now, for the glutinous balls, add the glutinous rice flour in a bowl and mix it with water until you make a dough. If the dough is too wet or sticky, add a bit more of glutinous rice flour. Then, cut it into half. Scoop about a teaspoon of the dough and shape it into a ball. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Add ube extract to the remaining half of the dough. And once it's purple, scoop about a teaspoon of the dough and shape it again into a ball. In a pan over medium heat, add the coconut milk, water, and sugar, and let this boil. Once boiling, add the sweet potato and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, add the plantain banana and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, add the glutinous balls. And once the glutinous balls are cooked or floating, add the jackfruit, tapioca pearls, and continue cooking until all the fruits are fully cooked. And by the way, you can add ube flavor or ube extract or vanilla extract to add a bit of flavor. Give it a stir, and once the liquid is a little thick, turn off the heat and note that this will thicken more as it cools down. And here's our finished product! Ginataang Bilo-bilo is sweet, creamy, and delicious. I hope you'll give this a try. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!